Hello my queens and kings, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I prepared this delicious and budget friendly egusi. So here is my cow skin, which is pomo, my fresh pepper, my locust bean, which we all know as iru, my nut chicken, that's my favorite seasoning, my egusi I blended with crayfish, and my mama lemon dishwashing liquid to clear my sink. And here is my fish, fried fish and roasted fish, which we all know as ejakika. So I'm starting with my oil. Put a good amount of your palm oil into a pot, let it get hot, then turn in your egusi paste. You'd have mixed your egusi with a little water, yeah, so to make a paste. Then you turn it into the hot oil, then you stir. I always like to fry my egusi dry because it makes egusi swell, and it also has this taste it gives whenever you fry your egusi. If you know, you know. So you just keep stirring on low heat so it doesn't burn. So just keep stirring and stirring, and at this point NEPA showed themselves, so I had to open the kitchen door and continue my cooking. At this point the melon is already getting dried, if you can see, so it's becoming and dry thicker and dry. Just keep stirring so it doesn't burn. As you can see, it's already, scattering, and also I just had to continue cooking because at this point I was really hungry, so I turned in my fresh pepper, added water and onion. I don't like to add onion at the beginning so it won't get burnt. You get, it won't get brown. So yeah, I added my locust bean, which is Eru. I stayed allowed to boil. I checked it. I saw it was already getting thick. I covered it again, allowed to boil, and I stirred. As you can see, it was looking yummy already. I added my fish, roasted fish, which is the ejakika. I stirred. Then I added my seasoning, not chicken cubes. So yeah, I added a pinch of salt to taste. I added my pomo, which is the cow skin. I stayed allowed to cook, and at this point it was already ready. The egusi was cooked, so I just added my fried fish and the ugu leaf. So once you add your ugu leaf, don't cook it for long. Just allow it cook for like 3 minutes. Yeah, 2 3 minutes, and you stir it a bit, and your soup is ready. So yeah, I had to, quickly just do the dishes, clear my sink with Mama Lemon. I love Mama Lemon liquid soap because its foams is so foamy, and the scent again, the fragrance is so nice. And yeah, my soup was ready. I had to dish it out and eat. So you see how yummy the soup looks yummy, like it looks really yummy, and it is tasty. So this is me having a taste of my soup. I was feeling myself because the soup was really nice, trust me. It was really nice. So this is the easiest and simplest way to cook your egusi. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.